Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is incredibly special because we're diving deep into something many of you have been asking about: how to make your dream of moving to the UK a reality, especially during the festive season. I'm going to share 5 proven strategies that could help you migrate to the UK, along with some insider tips that most immigration consultants won't tell you. Before we begin, remember to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest UK immigration news and tips. Now, let's get started. Let's start with the most popular and straightforward path: the skilled worker visa. The UK is currently experiencing a significant skills shortage, and the festive season often opens up more job opportunities, especially in the healthcare, IT, and hospitality sectors. Here's what makes this timing perfect. Many UK companies finalize their budgets and hiring plans for the next year during the holiday season, making it an ideal time to secure a job offer. To succeed with this route, you'll need a job offer from a UK employer with a valid sponsor license. The role must meet the minimum salary requirement, which is typically £26,200, or the going rate for your occupation, whichever is higher. During the festive season, some employers offer enhanced packages to attract talent, which could work in your favor. Here's a lesser-known tip: use LinkedIn and set your profile to open to work with location preferences set to the UK. Many UK recruiters are actively searching for international talent during this period. Also, consider reaching out to companies that have historically sponsored visas. They're more likely to be open to international recruitment. If you're currently studying or planning to study in the UK, the graduate route is your golden ticket. This route allows you to stay in the UK for 2 years after completing your degree, 3 years for PhD graduates without needing immediate sponsorship. The fantastic thing about applying during the festive season is that many companies start their graduate recruitment programs around this time. What many people don't realize is that you can use this time to network at holiday industry events, career fairs, and professional meetups that are abundant during the festive period. These networking opportunities can lead to long-term employment and eventually settlement in the UK. Starting your course in the January intake, which means applying during the festive season, can actually be advantageous. There's often less competition for university places, and you might find more accommodation options available. For those exceptional in their field, whether it's digital technology, arts and culture, or sciences, the Global Talent Visa is an excellent option. During the festive season, many organizations that can endorse your application might have more time to review applications as their regular activities slow down. What's particularly great about this route is that you don't need a job offer, and you have more flexibility in terms of work arrangements. You can even be self-employed or work for multiple employers. The festive season often sees an increase in creative and technical projects, making it an ideal time to showcase your talents. A pro tip here: use the holiday period to gather strong letters of recommendation and prepare a compelling portfolio. Many professionals have more time during this period to help with recommendations and endorsements. If you're entrepreneurially minded, the startup and innovator visas could be your path to the UK. The festive season is an excellent time to prepare your business plan and connect with approved endorsing bodies. Many business accelerators and incubators run programs with January start dates, making the festive period perfect for applications. What makes this timing strategic is that many investors and business partners are finalizing their plans for the new year during this period. Your innovative business idea could catch their attention when they're actively looking for new opportunities to invest in or support. Remember, for the innovator visa, you'll need at least £50,000 in investment funds unless your business is already established and endorsed. Use the holiday period to secure funding and perfect your business plan. While often overlooked, the family route to UK migration can be one of the most straightforward paths if you have eligible family members in the UK. During the festive season, when families typically come together, it's an ideal time to discuss and plan your migration strategy. If you have a British citizen spouse, partner, or family member, you might be eligible for a family visa. The holiday period is perfect for gathering the necessary documentation and evidence of your relationship, as many families create natural evidence through holiday celebrations, photos, and travel together. Here's something many don't know: if you're applying through the spouse route, you can actually prepare most of your application during the festive season and benefit from potentially faster processing times, as many people wait until after the holidays to submit their applications. Regardless of which route you choose, there are some universal tips that can increase your chances of success. First, use the festive season to perfect your English language skills. Many language centers offer intensive courses during this period, and the quiet holiday time is perfect for studying for your IELTS or other required language tests. Financial preparation is crucial. The festive season often comes with end-of-year bonuses or family gifts that could help meet the financial requirements for your chosen visa route. Keep detailed records of any funds you receive during this period, as you'll need to show the source of your funds. Healthcare surcharge payments and visa fees can be significant, so use the holiday sales period to save money in other areas of your life to build up these funds. Remember, you'll need to pay the immigration health surcharge for the entire duration of your visa up front. While the festive season is an excellent time to prepare, be strategic about when you actually submit your application. The period immediately after New Year often sees faster processing times, as there's typically a lull in applications. However, make sure all your supporting documents are dated within the required timeframes. Use the holiday downtime to meticulously prepare your documentation. This includes getting documents translated if necessary, obtaining criminal record certificates, and organizing your financial documents. Many official offices have reduced hours during the festive season, so plan accordingly. Remember, whether you're applying through any of these routes, the key is thorough preparation and timing. The festive season provides a unique opportunity to gather documents, make connections, and plan your move, while many others are focused on celebrations. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus tip: many immigration advisors offer discounted consultations during the holiday season. This could be a great time to get professional advice on your specific situation. That's all for today's video. I hope these strategies help you plan your UK migration journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more immigration tips and updates. Drop your questions in the comments below, and let me know which route you're planning to take. Remember, migration is a journey, not just a destination. Stay positive, stay prepared, and stay informed. See you in the next video.